Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, we will be exploring how to add a slider to showcase your product or create a smooth slide effect for better presentation. So let's get started. So to get started, you go to plugin, add new, and search for slider and grid, carousel slider and grid ultimate for WooCommerce. This is the plugin. You click to install and activate. For this plugin to work, you must have a WooCommerce already installed and already added your own product. So right now we have installed the product carousel slider and grid ultimate for WooCommerce successfully. The next step now is this is the plugin at the back end. The next step right now is to click on the add new. Then let's name our slider product slider. So this is the short code. So these are the settings. We are choosing the carousel and we are choosing the theme 2. We have option of choosing the 1, 2, 3. The rest are paid version. So I'm choosing the theme 2. And I'm going to leave all these as the default. These are the carousel settings. Depending on your choice, you can make changes and change color. Then under styling, it's all about color and the font size. Then when you are done, you click on publish. Now the carousel has been successfully published. So the next step right now is to copy this shortcode and go to your page or post and paste it wherever you want it to display. In this tutorial, I'll be creating a new page. I'll call this slider. Let me call it product slider. And I'll be putting the short code here and click on the publish button to save the changes. Then let's view what we have done. Okay, as you can see, the product is sliding. It has a navigation arrows here. You can slide forward or you can slide backward. So that is it on how to add our product slider to your website. Thank you for watching.